Hello everyone, welcome to Gobel Power, and this is Suki. In my previous video, I have showed you how to connect the JK BMS with the PC side. And in today's video, I will teach you how to connect the PACE BMS with the PC side. And this is our PACE 200 16 kilowatt hours lithium battery packs. The BMS is using PACE 16S200A. And now let's power on the battery. Here we can see the menus here. And this is the communicating line. The length is about 1.5 meters. Here is the USB port, and this is the RJ11 network port, and we insert this port into the RS232. And the USB side, we need to plug into the PC. Okay, now we can see here is the BMS of PACE, the app. And here you can change the language to the language you want. Here is the real-time monitor, and we should firstly open serial. And you can see the star monitor. Okay, now we can see the battery information, total voltage, the current, SOC, SOH, and so on. The cycle times, and here is the single battery voltage, total 16 pieces, and the current pack is the number 1 pack. And here you can see the temperatures of each cells, and the maximum voltage, minimum voltage, and the voltage difference, temperature difference, switch control, and here is a warning status. It shows none, and protect status none, malfunction status none. If the battery have any malfunctions, it will shows on here. And let's see here is the parallel monitor, safe record, and see the safe record. Here, read record. Now we can see the real-time record of this battery. And let's see the parameter settings here. This is the page of the parameter settings. You should read parameters. And then here is system setting. At this page, we need to firstly we go to the real-time monitor and enter the password here. And when it shows the color is green, then the password is correct. And we go back to the system setting. Here we should read first. And we can select which inverter brands you use. And here is the point. If your inverter brand is the yet, and there is no the yet, so you should choose pylon. It's okay. And here is the 485 protocol. You also can choose which brand. And after setting the brand of the inverter, we should write them into. And now it's already setting successfully. And okay, so this is how to connect the PC site with the PC314 BMS. So if you still need some support, you can leave your comments on our comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.